Stop checking your bank balance like it is a scoreboard because you are actually losing. Most people are sprinting toward a financial cliff while smiling for a filtered Instagram photo. My name is Rosma, your favorite financial strategist, and I am here to wake you up. You think you are saving money, but you are actually just watching your future self wither. Let's talk about why your current financial strategy is about as effective as a screen door. Most expert advice is a lie designed to keep you comfortable while you slowly go broke. I am going to dismantle your reality with cold math and a very healthy dose of sarcasm. By the end of this, you will either be very angry or finally on the path. We are diving deep into the mathematical void where your hard-earned wealth goes to die quietly. Pay close attention, because the secret to escaping this trap is hidden in the next minute. Let's tackle the biggest lie first, the savings trap. You have been told that hoarding every single penny in a low-interest account is the ultimate way to achieve safety. In reality, your savings account is a high-speed treadmill that is moving backward faster than you can run, thanks to the silent, invisible, and relentless predator known as inflation. If your money is not growing at a rate that outpaces the rising cost of living, you are technically getting poorer every single morning you wake up and check it. It is like trying to fill a bucket with water while there is a massive hole in the bottom, yet you are celebrating because the faucet is still running slightly. This brings us to the core scientific pillar of our discussion, the brutal reality of opportunity cost, which is the value of the next best thing you are totally missing. Every dollar you leave rotting in a stagnant account is a soldier that could be out on the battlefield capturing more territory and building your massive empire for you. Instead, you have those soldiers sitting in the barracks eating your rations and doing absolutely nothing while the enemy forces of debt and devaluation are surrounding your entire perimeter. You are probably thinking, but Rosma, I need my emergency fund for a rainy day, and honestly, that is the kind of cute, naive thinking that keeps you perpetually broke. I am not saying you should have zero cash, but most people treat their emergency fund like a holy shrine instead of a strategic tool for leverage and future growth. While you are busy obsessing over $3 saved on a latte, you are completely ignoring the $1,000 decisions that actually move the needle on your personal net worth. This is the latte factor myth, a psychological distraction used to blame the poor for being poor instead of teaching them how to actually manage high-level capital and assets. You could stop drinking coffee for the next 50 years, and you still wouldn't be able to buy a decent house in this economy without a real investment strategy. Your brain loves these small wins because they trigger a tiny dopamine hit that makes you feel productive while your overall financial house is literally burning to the ground. It's a classic pattern interrupt. Your brain thinks it's winning the game, but the scoreboard shows you are down by 40 points with only 2 minutes left on the clock. Now, let's pivot to the second scientific pillar, hedonic adaptation, which is the fancy way of saying you will always want more junk regardless of how much you earn. As soon as you get that raise or that bonus, your lifestyle expands to swallow it whole, leaving you in the exact same stressed-out position you were in before today. You buy a faster car to drive to a job you hate, to pay for a house that is empty all day, just to impress people you don't even like. This cycle is a psychological prison where the bars are made of credit card statements and the warden is your own ego demanding that you keep up with others. I promised you a secret earlier, and here it is. The wealthy don't manage money, they manage systems that operate entirely independent of their personal time and physical effort. If you are still trading your limited hours for linear dollars, you are participating in a rigged game that was designed from the beginning to make you lose everything eventually. Think about the math. There are only 24 hours in a day, but the markets and compound interest work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without ever sleeping. You are currently the engine of your wealth, but you need to become the pilot of a machine that generates its own fuel while you are busy living your life. Let's talk about the safety illusion. You think your job is safe, but your job is actually the highest risk investment in your entire portfolio because you have zero control. If your boss decides to cut costs tomorrow, your entire income stream vanishes instantly, leaving you with a pile of bills and a safety mindset that failed you completely. Diversification isn't just for stocks, it is for your very survival in an era where technology is moving faster than your ability to update your outdated and dusty resume. We need to discuss the inflation stealth tax. Governments print money, which devalues your currency, meaning your purchasing power is being siphoned away while you are sleeping at night. If you had $10,000 in 1990, it bought a lot. Today, that same $10,000 buys you a used hatchback and a very sad, small sandwich. To survive this, you must own assets that appreciate: land, businesses, or equities, rather than just holding onto paper debt disguised as colorful money in your thin, leather wallet. Most people are math blind. They see a 5% return and get excited, forgetting that inflation is at 6% and taxes will take another 20% of the gain. You are effectively paying the world for the privilege of letting them use your money, which is the most backwards financial logic I have ever heard in my life. Let's take a quick sarcastic breather. Are you enjoying this wake-up call, or are you still clinging to your piggy bank like it's a life raft in the middle of the ocean? Good, because we are getting to the high-stakes part of the strategy where we talk about asymmetric risk, which is where the geniuses make their real, generational, lasting fortunes. Most people take symmetric risk. They risk $1 to make $1, which is a slow death sentence in a world that is moving at the speed of light. You need to find opportunities where your downside is limited but your upside is theoretically infinite, which requires a level of education most people are too lazy to pursue. Instead of scrolling through mindless videos of cats, you should be studying market cycles, tax codes, and the psychological triggers that drive consumer behavior in a digital-first global economy. Knowledge is the only asset that doesn't depreciate, cannot be taxed, and can be used to rebuild your entire empire from scratch if everything else were to suddenly disappear. But you won't do that, will you? You'll probably go back to your safe routine and wonder why things never seem to change for you or your growing bank account. Unless, of course, you decide right now to break the pattern and start looking at the world through the lens of a strategist rather than a terrified, passive consumer. The savings trap is for people who want to die comfortably poor. The investment strategy is for those who want to live uncomfortably rich and leave a lasting legacy. You have to be willing to be wrong in the eyes of the average person to be right in the eyes of the market, which requires a very thick skin. Stop taking financial advice from people who are just as broke as you are, but have a slightly nicer car or a bigger television in their living room tonight. Listen to the math. Follow the logic of compound growth. And stop letting your emotions dictate your financial future, because your feelings are usually very expensive and quite wrong. Remember the open loop I mentioned? The secret to wealth isn't working harder. It is making your capital work so hard that you actually feel a little sorry for it. Every dollar is a seed. You can either eat the seed today and be full for an hour, or plant it and feed your entire family for several generations. Most of you are currently eating your seeds and wondering why your farm is empty and why the soil looks so dry and depressing under the hot, unforgiving sun. This is the moment where you choose to either stay in the herd or become the wolf that understands how the entire financial ecosystem actually functions and thrives today. I have given you the blueprint, the science, and the cold hard truth. Now the only variable left in this complex equation is your own willingness to take action. Wealth is not an accident. It is a deliberate series of calculated moves made by people who are brave enough to ignore the safe path that leads to mediocrity. You are currently standing at a crossroads, and your next move will determine if you become a victim of the system or a master of your own financial destiny forever. Consider this a contract with your future self. Like this video and subscribe right now to signal your commitment to winning, because winners take action while losers just watch.